Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Genuinely, right? I honestly thought that you had like some kind of Avril Lavigne lot going on. I was expecting, and we're the skater boy, or something like that. What was that? And I have heard that song. I literally had shivers, that was amazing. Well done, babe. Zoe.
I don't know what the words meant, but they were really pretty. They were really pretty. Honestly, there's not much I can say about that. It was just beautiful and really captivating and like so insane. It was how you gonna be? I'll never know. Like, it was amazing. Honestly, there's nothing I can say. It was beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. You should be so proud. No, the online videos didn't do you justice at all. At all. Well done. You smashed that.
Thanks all. Emily.
Yeah, I really wasn't expecting that whatsoever. I've written down them online auditions do you nothing at all. The control on them notes were insane, and them high notes, I was like, oh my god, she can sing higher than me. It was like, wow. It was so raw, you got into it, it was passionate, and it was like you performed a song. It was like I was going to watch someone on stage, and that was just incredible. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Chelsie, yeah, it is actually so nice to finally get to see you perform live like this, because I haven't seen it before. What I do know is that in terms of like you being an opera vocalist, like level-wise, your quality is bang on the money, alright? Bang on. Like I can, like when you've done your online auditions, like you could hear the theatrics and there were certain parts you was bringing in the opera slightly. But this is definitely a lane. You might have been told that before anyway. This is definitely 100% you. This is where you sit best. Again, it is one of them styles that, like in today's sort of market and industry, is a very wide range of this style. But people find it hard to stand out as an opera singer in today's market, because it is one of them styles that you wouldn't hear kids listen to it on the radio and things like that. But there is a niche for it, there is a market, and those are things like, for example, I don't know if you watch like Britain's Got Talent and that, and there was a guy who won it, Brian McDowell, I think, or something. Yeah, and he was a classical singer. He wasn't operatic, but he was theatrical. And sort of what he would do, he would take really popular songs and then he'd make them operatic and theatrical. So I want you to keep note of that, because that's what's going to sell you. That is what is going to make people in the industry, when they watch your videos, go, oh my god, she's different. Do you get what I mean? So even though you are, in my eyes, an incredible vocalist as an opera singer, I want you to take advantage of these little things to help you sell, you know, because it's an art niche to be in. When you're in this niche, it is a very difficult one, but it's not a case of taking you out to that and saying, right, let's try some different sort of songs and that, because I don't think it'll work as well as this does for you, because this is, I can feel that this is what you're meant to do, 100% hands down, but you just need to make it sellable now. So instead of you just doing the typical opera singers people think, and don't get me wrong, I'd love to hear you doing Ness and Dorma and all of these, I'd love to hear it, but I want you to also, the only advice I can give you, to not just in this competition to do well, but outside, whoever's going to see these videos, is to just don't be frightened to maybe take, like, I don't know, Evanescence, Bring Me to Life, and make that operatic, you know, and little things like that. I'd love to hear you doing that, actually, but things like that, all right? But if you can do that, that's going to help you so much stand out. Other than that, honestly, it's an honour to have you here. It really is. Well done.
And so is good, guys. Well done.